Once upon a time, in a land called Fannyland, there lived Chickoo the hen and Fanny the bird. They were the best of friends and spent their days talking about the happenings in their beautiful land. Fannyland was known for its lush greenery and peaceful atmosphere. The animals and birds lived harmoniously, and life was serene. However, one day Chickoo and Fanny noticed that something was amiss. The once green land was turning dry, and fires were breaking out everywhere, threatening to destroy everything in their path. Chickoo and Fanny were deeply troubled by these events. They knew that if the fires continued, it would devastate their beloved Fannyland. As they pondered over what to do, they were unaware that a music goddess was listening to their conversation from the sky, her flute in hand. The music goddess was moved by their plight and decided to help. She played a magical tune, a melody of rain, and soon, dark clouds gathered in the sky. The rain poured down, extinguishing the fires and bringing life back to the land. As the rain fell, Chickoo and Fanny watched in awe as the parched land began to revive. The greenery returned, and the animals and birds rejoiced. The music goddess had saved Fannyland from destruction. From that day on, Chickoo, Fanny, and all the inhabitants of Fannyland lived happily, grateful for the kindness and benevolence of the music goddess. They vowed to cherish their land and live in harmony, knowing that they were blessed to have such a caring guardian watching over them. And so, the greenery of Fannyland thrived, thanks to the music goddess and the friendship of Chickoo and Fanny, a testament to the power of goodness and compassion in the face of adversity. Thank you for watching Artzy Monkey Learn English channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.